How's it going, YouTube? Chris here, playing the Bazaar, playing as Vanessa. We're doing some unranked today, mainly because I am out of ranked tickets and can't play ranked without ranked tickets, and I don't want to spend gems. First decision: do we have fun? Do we go for a skill, fun skill, fun skill? Let's against better judgment. Okay. So +6 to your poison items, +9 to a single poison item. That seems like a fairly good start. So, is there a medium poison item? There is not. So let's go with Treasure Chest. That is not what we were hoping for. Okay. I guess it doesn't completely matter, but it would be great if we can't beat the Viper without a weapon, as we know from a couple of videos ago, to my dismay. But we'll easily win this. But definitely, hopefully, in the second half of the day, we can pick up some type of poison item. Forgot. I feel like the gold tier skill route really just, I wouldn't say forces your hand, but yeah, forces your hand a little bit. Like, it's hard to argue with that much poison that early. Okay, and to no surprise of anyone, we won.
It's over already.
Okay,
We barely got off
it's
Flagstaff.
better than nothing. Definitely
Come
non-weapons.
with no weapons, leave with
Uh,
big bargains. Your aura
not,
guided me to what you
that is not the
need.
poison item we were looking for. Okay, cool.
I can feel our energy resonating.
Stinks that we can't get Cove. Guess we shouldn't have gotten the lighter in that case, but it's fine. What is our next? So we can do a non-weapon. Hopefully it's a poison item. Okay, well, kind of got lucky there. So
Go ahead. Underestimate.
poison burn, at least
Makes
for
this more
now.
fun.
Definitely incentivized to be aquatic. So let's see. I mean, there is a chance I should have moved the catfish next to the jellyfish. That's kind of on me. They have trained. If our lighter wasn't bugging out on us, we could see what our health was at. But I think, yeah, we're fine. We Gucci. We Gucci. Okay. Day one, win. Can't argue that too much. Let's continue. All right. Dos. Okay. Small weapon. Let's go free silver. Okay.
Huh.
That's not too shabby. Okay, +3 burn, +2 burn. We'd be crazy if we didn't do this.
Better at this.
Okay. Medium chocolate bars. Strange mushroom. Could get beach ball.
If I don't have
Beach ball's not bad,
I
right?
hope you find who does.
Beach ball one time, beach ball one time, beach ball no times. Okay. We'll take shovel for the econ, because I guess that's something we need to worry about. And covetous thief, I think, is a good place to be. Okay. Yeah, we're stacking a lot of poison quickly. Would love to see pufferfish.
We won't forgive this.
Okay. Not too shabby. So small aquatic, smalls and mediums. Let's just do small aquatic. Sure. Chum bucket's not terrible. So do we get 2 silver jellyfish? 2 silver jellyfish? Or the upgraded catfish isn't like stellar. We really don't have.
You say old.
Okay,
I say thoroughly.
we'll do
Ooh, the
2
keener the
silver
blade,
jellyfish.
the quicker the fight.
Okay.
You should know, I'm a bit of a legend on Pelago.
You do see these tusks, right?
Excuse me. Okay. Where are we day 2? They do have a lot of burn on us, which may get yeah, I think they win here.
Now
Yeah.
that
Okay.
was invigorating.
Burn can be quicker than poison, so not surprising. Let's go. Okay. Non-weapon, chocolate. What would we get? Oh. When you gain 4 regen, when you poison this gains. Let's go for it. Let's have some fun. Try something a little bit different. Regen early would help. We don't want a weapon. Let's
Reward
do
the peaceful,
non-weapons.
punish
Okay.
the-
Well, let's
Use
just
that for the good of
get
all.
all of this. So we'll sell you. I kind of did this in a terrible order, but so it goes. We'll buy ambergris as a little piggy bank. Okay. So, bronze tier weapon. Okay. Bronze tier item, bronze tier weapon. Let's just do bronze tier item. Hopefully it's ironically enough, it's the thing we just sold. So, we'll do this. So, pufferfish, shell. So, shell goes off relatively quickly. Okay. This is going to be a little bit slow. Sadly, we just got to take the regen. I would love the street
Your
gamer
dice are
skill.
even
So
That's just sad.
hopefully this is something. So we are gonna poison a good amount, and we're gonna gain a lot of regen for it. I kind of like this. Getting this a little bit
Another
early.
round now. We play till I
Okay,
win.
so definitely the skill is most ideal for us, and that's definitely not it. So let's see here. We'll hold on to this poggle. When you win a fray, get a piggle. Piggle, not a poggle. Okay, so this gives us a skill or an upgrade hammer. I don't know what this does upgrade. Let's see what it gets us upgraded.
Haha. Now
Okay, every
this
poison
will
does
inspire the crew.
it gives 2 regen. This is not a bad
Pathetic landwalker.
NPC to go up against.
Drown in my wrath.
Okay. Sorry, gotta drink the seltzer. Okay. Yeah, 15 regen early seems kind of dope. If anything, it's like we want to drop a burn item or something else, and I don't know why I haven't done that yet, ironically enough. We may not have to, because now we'll be able to
From
level up.
Nautica, from every sea world we will
Okay.
come.
Narwhal.
Another empty chest.
Upgrade
waiting
bronze.
to be filled.
No, we want to hold on to that as long as we can. We're not keeping you around, so what's the point? I guess Narwhal is the better option. Okay, this gives shield. Your shield items gain. I guess we'll just do that. Because it's something. So do we want upgrade a bronze tier item? So it's gonna be either jellyfish or shell or pearl. Probably pearl, honestly.
Ooh, the keener the
Okay.
blade, the quicker the fight.
Just a little bit more shield. We don't really have
We're
anything
out
to
to
haste the
eat for a
catfish, so
king,
there's really no
not
point
to
in
squabble
upgrading it
with
because we're
nobody.
not using its upgrade. Okay, I guess we're going up against a mirror match. Okay. What? All right. Let's see what happens here. Ah, I got knee brace. Hopefully we can just stack more poison. Okay. This is gonna be tough though. Hopefully this regen pops quicker than it's going right now. I don't know who wins or how. Oof. Oh, okay. We got there. Yeah, that's crazy. What is it? A tool? It's just a small. Okay. Awesome. Let's take it. That was not a bad go around. So definitely, if we could see, what could we see today? That would be just awesome. Chris Army Knife, see you later. Water Wheel. Water Wheel is what we would like to see. We can get a free weapon or mediums. Weapon, chocolate, mediums. I feel better with a little bit more health, even though it's not going to be a whole lot. And let's start with some regen, or more so than what we have. And I don't know how to play this game because I lost out on one. Boiler and Brawler. Let's do Brawler.
What you looking at?
Because when you haste, shield 10. That's what it was. Okay. You can shield all you like. I'm going through it. Right. Yeah, that was easy.
Strong.
No worries there. Okay. Okay, crit chance.
Ah, place to
And
store the
silver
rest of the
tiered
tyrant's
skill.
gold.
Weapons have the first 2 times you use the right mouse item slow. That's kind of stink. When you slow vehicles, charger items 2 seconds.
We made progress today. I'm
That's not
proud
bad.
of you.
So what we would love to see boots. Because what does boots do? You can crit on this? You can crit on that? Interesting. Take you.
Whee! Now that's a bargain.
Take you for
That's
later.
been sitting there 20 years,
I'll take you.
waiting for you.
Because boots into water wheel would be very nice. And okay. So for a second I thought I was losing out on junk. I was gonna be a little mad. So ambergris. Okay, so we can buy boots.
Warms my
Buy
rusty
spider.
circuits to see that find on.
Let's put you on jellyfish, saving you for later. And medkit for later. The pickles can get out of here. Buying
Trash
you
is tragedy. Reuse everything.
2%. Okay, let's get out of here. Okay. Free stuff, free stuff. I guess we're taking another medkit. Oh,
We take pride in our
I'll take the
restoration.
catfish level up.
Haha.
Just
Now
because
this will
I don't know if
inspire
we'll
the crew.
kind of getting into not
My
seeing
fight
bronze
isn't
tier
with
stuff
you, but it
days.
is
So
Are you sure?
okay, let's see. Okay. Oof. What stinks is we don't have. As long as we get our regen up quickly, we should be okay. We can outpace some of the burn, but since we don't have like a seaweed, it's tough. Okay. Awesome. I was only paying attention to my health bar and not realizing that we were eating them alive a little bit, so. 3 wins, 4 days is not bad. Not gonna argue that too much. Okay. We don't have a lot of cash. And we still have boots. We can just sell you. Let's just go for a skill. When you haste, freeze an item. Okay. Skill upgrades, cinders. Skill upgrades, cinders. We don't really have a lot of cash. I'll just take a cinder. Upgrade our lighter just a little bit. Help it stick around for a little bit longer. I think we can do Gorgon.
Who sent
What is
that
Bloodhound? It's the first time your enemy falls below half health, we can charge. So any of these would be welcome. Yeah, and it looks like our regen's gonna outpace all of this. So I think we're more poison than anything. Because this rose is kind of crazy to help us in the sustain department. So really, a water wheel, seaweed would be great. Okay, trained spider's not too shabby. Let's do that. Okay, silver tier item, 10 gold. Yeah, that's not bad. Okay. Haste item, aquatics. There's a chance we get water wheel. Ugh, okay. Not what I was hoping for. We're gonna sell this. Go for that.
Great seeking. I mean, probably.
Okay. And we'll take a gold jellyfish too. Okay. Because you haste for 3 seconds. Tool. Gold tier item. Get a free tool. Okay, and just immediately get the shovel back. Sure. Okay. Let's. I'll keep that out. Okay.
I may be young for a captain, but I've seen my share of storms.
Alright, what dually do we have today? Okay. Well, hopefully we can just get a bunch of regen and not have to worry about whatever they got going on. If there was a way to speed this one up, would be crazy. Well, it gets water wheels. That's what speed it up, so. Oh, okay. That was not as close as my tone made it out to be, but not bad. Okay. Continue. We gotta do some selling. Okay. Won't be using you, won't be using you. Temporary boost, some spare change. Let's
Nothing
fish
to
for
it,
some
nothing
mediums.
used. All about moderation.
Okay, not what we're looking for.
You leave it behind. Someone else finds
Kind of a
it.
waste. Not, I don't want to say waste. Okay, large items. Water wheel.
This is talking fast.
Water wheel. Sack of
Tiny
baloney. Okay.
Anderson, close the deal.
Let's do trash golem. Maybe I'm not remembering. Okay, I was misremembering their skills. So. Okay. Haste. Yeah, the regen is very nice. At 22. Okay, we should hopefully. No, yeah, we're fine. We're fine. No, we're not fine. We lost. Nice. Okay, well, not nice, but.
My ship, my failure. My will to get stronger.
Okay. Small aquatics, small items, work at the docks. Let's just take a small aquatic. Okay. I'm not gonna be too upset about that. Upgrade a silver item, silver skills. I think we're good on skills. I kind of want to take the rose too.
Ooh, the keener the blade, the quicker the fight.
To the end. Okay. Health and shield items. Get an item. Let's just get some. I don't want to get chocolate bars because we don't. We'll just take an item. Grenade. Okay. We are slightly
We're out to
stronger
dethrone
than this
the king,
Vanessa.
not to squabble with nobody.
So, what do they have? Triple. Oh, they're a slow. Oh, wait, what are they? Oh, they're a slow build? Ooh. Okay, so hopefully our poison and our regen just kind of run away with things a little bit. Yeah. We should be okay. What is this? When you use it, adjacent weapons slow. Yeah, they were slow build. Oh, I mean, appreciate the game. Okay. Okay, so heal, health and shield items, small non-weapon, work at the docks. Okay, we do have seaweed now. So ambergris, goodbye. Sell you. Sell you. I don't know. We're not keeping you, so let's fish here.
Try my best.
I don't know if that was a smart move, but it gives us gold tier items, so I'll take it. And then not cool. Okay. Well, we're gonna keep on keeping on. The next fight. I mean, that's not the end of the world. I would really love to see, though. Okay. No, we already lost the NPC fight. If we lose another, we're just gonna get further behind. So I'm not gonna risk it for that. Although it would be really funny. I'm cool with dropping lighter. We'll keep it around for a little bit longer, but not married to it.
Dial. Clorox. I'll see you soon.
Okay. Get rid of this. Nice cash. Gumballs really don't do anything for us. Hopefully. Water wheel? No. Water wheel. No. You use another non-weapon. Charge this.
You are enough,
Okay.
friend.
So,
Glad
see
you
ya.
bought this.
See ya. Whoa, what the heck? You're 7 seconds. So, you go, you charge, then you charge. You should go before the pufferfish does. You definitely go for. Okay. So, exit. Okay. Poison skills it is.
Free admittance to my lectures.
So we can,
About poison.
the first time we use an item, we can haste or freeze when we poison. Haste. We're only going to waste haste to one poison item. That's pretty good because it does a lot for us.
It is my pleasure
Okay.
to educate you in the toxic arts.
Infinite rerolls. Yeah. That doesn't really help us. You sell mediums and larges.
Small people. I love
Okay. No, that's a trap, right? Because what we do, we get rid of a jellyfish and this turtle out of here, right? What world looks like this? Hold on. So, okay. We get this. They have 1+ multicast with a crit. We get rid of, what do we get rid of? Think. I mean, honestly, this is what you get rid of. And then you get rid of this. And then what do you get rid of? I love the rose. The rose is like a rose by any other name. It sounds sweet. Hmm. I don't even have enough.
Must
Hold
be
on
a
a second.
hole in my coin purse.
Need 5. Okay.
This is a gift at any price.
Let's see what happens. I really don't know here.
My fight isn't
I-
with you, but if you
I don't know.
insist.
My people believe in peace.
The rose was pretty cool,
Boring.
but we'll see. This looks like a. I don't know if we out-sustain them, but we'll see. Oh, because they're just increase the crazy amount of health. All right, hold on. So you gain max health. Heal.
I can see you're going
Oh.
places.
I couldn't. The game is bugging out there, so I could not tell where we were with that. Okay. Regen, weapons, gun balls. Okay, this thing gives you shielded items. That's kind of crazy. Okay. Let's just take the regen. Small tool. Okay. I guess we go to Curio.
Relax.
Let's take
While you're
you.
doing your part,
Take
clean up
you.
the bazaar.
Boom, boom. We really don't need all of these things at this point. We're rolling in something. Let's
Cat's
get
been sitting
you.
there 20 years,
Might as well.
waiting for you.
Where is? There you are. Okay. Okay. Cooldowns would be good. Burninator bot. We level up this day regardless of where we go, but Waters of Infinity would be great. It kind of makes up for the loss of the Black Rose. All of our stuff is non-weapon, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4. With 70 regen from that, so that's pretty nice. Okay, 80. Oh, why was it saying plus 80? Okay.
Waste of gunpowder.
Okay. Maybe I should be picking gold tier skills more often at the start of each day or each run, because we're kind of in a cool spot. Okay. Let's see here. We should just straight up be okay. I highly doubt that we will not win this. So, what would be awesome? I mean, as we get up, or
As spineless.
that's
as
nice
jelly.
too. As we get, what are enchantments? We should start getting to see some really funny things. I think we can go see some skills. Let's keep that just for a little while.
You have great potential.
So this is when you use your leftmost item burn. First time you, oh, that doesn't really help. When you have less health than your opponents, your items gain crit chance. Ugh. Yeah, we might as well just take that. Nothing else really benefits us. Okay.
You
Big
should know
Hat
I'm a
Logan.
bit of a legend on Pelago.
My dreams are too
Excuse me.
big for you to steal.
Okay. Hopefully we can. Ooh, that yo-yo is going to be a little annoying. Okay. Let's see. We do have a lot of poison on them. Our health is way up there. The dog.
I'll
Okay.
admit, that was
Gold
impressive.
tier or gold skills equal golden run. Okay. 7 wins in 8 days. Yeah, I'm not gonna be upset. Okay, random event, slow, haste, cooldown items, or extract. Ooh, when you crit. Nice. Nice. Okay. Let's go random. Okay, well, not ideal. I mean, I just don't want anything. If you don't have aquatics, I don't care. Temporary boost for the day, sells items. Temporary boost, gold. I guess there are some things that would benefit us to look for. Hey, wasn't a waste.
Enjoy your purchase.
Okay. What, we'll definitely get an enchantment after this, battle. Go with Enclave. Their skill would be great. When we poison, gain crit chance. Do we have anything that crits? No, we don't. Okay. But being able to heal with seaweed twice is crazy. Ironically enough, this is very similar to our last 10-piece run, and only other 10-piece run. Not that I'm saying we're getting a 10-piece. I might have just jinxed myself, but okay. I guess if I'm just gonna ask for all the skills, sure. Okay, crit effects. Ooh, or random. What does shipwreck crit do? More crit effects or double crit chance? Okay. So we have 20. Again, that's not bad. Okay. Sell anything? No. Let's go chocolate bars. And we'll upgrade. So Curio is probably not worth it. I'll probably just go to Fins for, again, more regen
Good food feeds body
and more max health. I mean, starting off a fight with 93 regen is
Go ahead.
pretty
Underestimate.
spectacular.
Makes this more fun.
Grimka,
You should know I'm a bit of a
you're going
legend
down,
on
friend.
Pelago.
Okay, wait, actually, let me not say that. You got one. Wait, what? We might lose here.
Oh,
Yeah.
cannon, no ball.
Fair. I mean, I'm not gonna argue with that. That's a pretty cool build. So, I mean, shiny sniper rifle is really hard to beat. So, okay, friend, chocolate bars. Probably gonna be chocolate bars. That's pretty cool. I love how the enchanted shovel gives us enchanted items to sell. Let's just do that. Okay, haste and charge skills. Let's do haste and charge skills.
It comes from beyond the body.
Nope. Nope. The first time you fall below half health each fight. Haste 6 items for 2 seconds.
Space
Yes.
and time are only
Thank you.
suggestions, and we can ignore them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Gumballs, spare change. You buy larges, you have small and medium, so.
Master merchant or something.
Nope. thanks for
Buy
nothing.
something huge and then sell it to me.
Sure. I think we take Frost Street Champion. Okay. Maybe I was wrong. At the start of your fight, freeze all non-weapons. Okay, well, you got me there. I don't think hammer really affects us too much. We should be okay. I'm a little worried now because that thing is hasting incredibly quick. Okay. I was gonna regret going here, but we will hold on to Snowflake in case we get some freeze. I should have gone to the small store now that I think about it, but okay.
A change of clothes, because you're gonna get dirty.
Healing. Let's not go crazy here. Let's do one more. Okay, I'm gonna take my money and run.
I guess you can keep it.
Let's not push our luck. Okay.
We're out to dethrone. a
Depending on what they have,
not
this
to
looks like it
squabble
may be
with
tough.
nobles. I may be young for a captain, but I've seen my share of storms.
Okay. What's your crit chance? 80. Okay. This might, we got a little tango going on. Okay, nice crits from the seaweed.
You fall like a
Yeah,
boulder.
okay.
I flow
They have
like
lifesteal too. Okay. So we get a enchantment. We can do slow effects or a random. I think I'm okay with a pearl. Heavy pearl sounds pretty good. Okay. And sure, gold tier item. Let's just take loot.
This is why I wear red, so the crew won't see
Okay.
me bleed.
Definitely want to go to some shops. Shielded GPU, more regen. Okay. So you slow an item for 1 second. Okay.
As a
No.
GSM and master merchant, I can.
So this will give
sell
us
you things.
40
Where's my
crit
clerk? Oh,
chance.
did he see me close a deal?
Okay, so we start off pretty quick there. I think we do roll a look for Puffer. No? Okay. Cool. We can do we have any tools? No. I think skill upgrades is what is this, gives you more regen, or what does this do? 15. Okay. We'll do Trash Titan because the hulking experiment is the bane of my existence. We do not want the skill here. That's for dang sure. What's... Yeah, our crit chance just gets crazy up there, crazy quick. Yeah. Okay. Not too shabby.
Is that even a battle? Maybe skirmish.
Free gold, I guess. Okay. We go to Pearl's dig site.
Waiting for us in the ground.
Nope. Double. Nope. Ugh. Okay, one more. Okay, another. Do we? Yeah, we keep going. YOLO. Alright.
Hey,
Not
you're
call
a
it there.
nurturer with this.
I'll take Curio. Curio and a heartbeat. Right? Yeah. Okay. Take another regen.
Rusty circuits to see
I guess
that
we'll take
line.
more haste, but put it on you. Hoping for a slow booster. Sadly did not get one. Let's
Crash
just
is tragedy. Reuse everything.
sell you two. Okay. Who are we going up against? The Jump Man.
My
Okay.
fight isn't with you.
I don't know where
With you
they
instead.
are or what they have.
We're out
There's a
to
chance we
throw
get another
cake,
win here.
Not to squabble with nobody.
Okay. Got a flagship, huh? Okay. I mean, 300 regen to start a fight's kind of ridiculous. I don't even know how we start with that much. Yeah, how do we start with that much? I'm not like
Next time, boys.
a mathematician,
less
but that seems
plunder,
like crazy.
More plunder.
Okay. I love how the jellyfish has over like 100 seconds of haste. So upgrade an item, gold tier skills. I think at this point it's like skills have gotten us here.
I am just a man who
Let's
has
keep it going. The first time you slow charge a poison item. When your enemies have more health than you, we don't have weapons, so joke's on us. Can increase the first 4 times. Okay, well,
If not this life, the next.
not the greatest. I think we just go chocolate bars, honestly. But the final dose is has gotten us here. So again, we don't really do ammo items, so
My food?
let's go with
You
Finn.
Unstoppable.
I guess more regen, more sticking around. Did we lose the Frost Street? No, we didn't, because I was worried about the hammer, and we should be okay once we get the engine online. And granted, we're better off than we were a little while ago. So okay, stop freezing, please. 'Cause that hammer's starting to scare me. Okay, okay, we get it. Okay, again, not worried about anything, but you know. Okay, what's this? Freeze 2 items for 1 second. That is a haste item. Let's look for non-weapons. Not that helpful. Not that helpful. Your other freeze items have 0.5 duration.
You're not ready
Okay.
to accept the light. And that's
Let's fight a monster. Void Golem. Ooh. This is gonna be tough. What was that? Our catfish? Yeah, I don't think we win this. Yeah. Spices. Singularity.
Any way I can blame them?
We level up though still. So diamond tier skills, poison skills. I think diamond tier skills. And I don't like any of these. Okay, I regret everything. That's a heck of a ton of shell, or that's awesome. Okay.
I may be young for
Dealing
that,
Panda.
but I've seen my share of storms.
Will you be
You
our
should
9th
know,
win?
I'm a bit of a legend.
Or our last loss? Okay. Oh. Okay. Interesting. 100 poison already? How the hell did they do that? This seems like it's going to be a crazy fight. They are kind of winning. How are they poisoned? Oh, they're catfish.
I paint my ship red.
How? Wow, that's something.
Read the tides and listen to the wind. They will guide your
Okay.
steps.
I'll take a silver victory though. Maybe I need to be picking up these gold skills more often. But as always, thank you for watching. If you stuck around this long, please like, comment, subscribe. Really helps out the channel. See you next time.